When was the last time you checked your global admins in Azure? I can't tell you how many times I speak to clients and I ask them, when was the last time you checked? And no one can answer me. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check who your global admins are, when someone was recently added as a global admin, and I'm also going to show you how you can set up an alert to be notified instantly when someone is added as a global admin in Azure. Let's start today's video. Once logged into the Azure portal, click on Microsoft Entra ID, and what we're going to look for, we're going to check where your global admins are, so roles and administrators, and here you can quickly check who is a global admin, and that will give you a list. So here, if anyone, you don't recognize anyone, might be a good time to do some cleanup and remove anyone. And also what we can also do is we can check if anyone's been recently added and have a look who added that new admin. So if we scroll down to monitoring and click on Audit Logs, this is going to show you all the changes happening within Azure. So I've got it set the last 24 hours. These are all the changes. So if you click on Activity and Value Search, Add Member, hit the drop down, Add Member to Role, and here you can see someone's been added to a role within the last 24 hours. If we click on this, it will show you it was initiated by the following actor. So this was the person who added someone to a role. That's their IP address and user principal name. And we click on target. This user was added to a role. What role was it? Global Administrator role. So next, you might want to say, well, I can't be checking this every day. Why don't we set up an alert? Well, I'm glad you asked. So what you can do is, within the InfraSOS platform, we have alerts. So once you log in, under the Office 365 dashboard, click on Alerts and Alert Profiles, and you can set up an alert. So here's one I created earlier. Give it a name, Global Admin. Give it a severity level. Give it a label. And then you can set up notifications. So if someone gets added as a global admin outside of business hours, to give you an alert, or if you want an alert inside business hours or all hours, what you can do is, I'm going to do all hours and I want to be notified as soon as it happens. So recipients is me. But let me show you this way. Click on alert policy, and these are all the different alerts that you can set up. So this will be the one, elevation of global admins. And then you can apply filters. So you want to be notified if certain users get added to the global admins group. So, and then once that alert has been triggered, this is how it will look in the portal. So we get the data from your Azure Audit Logs, and it will give details, what time it happened, who was the actor who initiated it, so that's the user and their IP address, who was the user who was added, and that was the role. And you'll get an email that looks something like this. So you'll get an email, it will show you what the alert policy was, who was the user that was added to the group, and who added the user. So that will save you having to log in every now and then to check who your global admins are. You can set up alerts within InfraSOS. And on top of that, we've also got reports on your admins. So you could come on the reports tab, click on admins. You can have a look at all your admins without MFA or recently created admins. And we've got hundreds of other reports as well. And you've got an overview dashboard, so you can check all the metrics based on different attributes, such as the new admin that we're currently looking at in this demo. And if you're an MSP or an organization with lots of tenants, on the global tenants view, you can monitor all of your tenants down here. So you'll have all these different rows with all your tenants, so you can be notified instantly on your different alerts. Check us out, infrasos.com.